Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll quickly show you how you can design a social media cut to your Canva without much ado. Let's get started. This is my Canva app, so if you don't have it installed, you can go to your Play Store and install it. Use it. Okay, so now let me open it. You should know that you can also use that of a web version. Just go to your Chrome and enter canva.com and it's going to open it for you just like this. And when it opens, this is what you will get. So if you are using Canva for the first time, then let me just quickly explain something here. You see there's a three dash there, so when you tap on it, you'll be able to check your profile as well as other settings. You can see mine, so you can do some other settings and check your profile and try the pro version of Canva. We'll be using the free version for this tutorial. So when you want to start a new project, you can see the different presets that you can use already: social media, videos, presentation, whatsoever, documents, everything that YouTube, banner, logo, and whatsoever. So since we are designing a social media code design, let me just show you something. Just use this search bar and search for what. Just type social media and see what you have. You can see social media 1080 by 1080 is that's it. So what you'll be doing now, since we are using the free version, if we are to go with this 1080 by 1080 that you are seeing here, whenever we want to save our output, we will not be able to multiply the design resolution. So instead, we'll be using this plus button here, this one. Now just tap on it. First one, custom size, so you'll be able to set it on your own. So 1080 multiplied by 2, that will be 2160, right? So that's what we are going to be using as our document size, just like this. And the unit is on pieces. You can use the drop down arrow to set it to inches, or centimeter or whatever. So let's create a new design. Yeah, you see, so as soon as you create a new document on this design tab, you will see the existing template that you can customize to your own, but that is not what we'll be doing. We'll be creating everything from scratch. So you just use this back arrow, okay, just come back and you have it like this. This is what I want to design. This is good. To bring about change, you must not be afraid to take the first step. We fail when we fail to try. And there's a quote and there's a, so it means that whenever we are looking for now, our background should be something that should be talking about a progress, like someone taking a step moving forward. Let's go back to our Canva now. So let's go to element now. Since we are looking for a background, just search for a man walking, like you are moving forward, like just say a man walking or moving forward. Anyone, let's just search and see. Remember that we're using the free version of this. So move to photos, yes. So you can see a lot of them, but you'll be seeing this yellow crown pro version, pro almost everything. So it's possible that the free version that you see, you might not like them. So what will you do if you don't like them? That is why if you've not subscribed to my channel, you are missing a lot. So what you will do instead, in my previous video, I've explained to you how you can download all these royalty-free images on your own. So if you've not watched that, our previous lesson, I'll be putting the link down the video description for you to watch. So now let's go to my gallery because I've already downloaded them. Scroll and look for the images. If you don't know how to create AI images and all these things because you've not watched my previous lesson, let me pick this one and add to page. Now look this image carefully. Look where the person is walking. You can see that the person is moving forward in that direction, but I don't want it to be moving in that way. I want to flip it the other side, okay? So you scroll, you see this. While the image is selected, you have this option. So move towards this flip. Click on it and flip horizontal. It's going to turn this way. So after that, you will swipe to this mode and look for set image as background. This one, set image as, and you have it like this. So double tap on the background like this and move it backward like this. And done. So now I have my background already. It's very simple, so you can see this is very fast. So before I will bring me my text, if I should type on this thing directly, it might not come out well, or I will have to use even the colors that I had no intention of using from the beginning. So I will get another shape, okay, that will be talking about movement again. So design is not just done anyhow like that. So there are some principles guiding it. So I'm going to search for, let me just move to the shapes, okay. Let me clear everything. So I'll move to the shapes, okay. If you not clear it, it will still be looking for shapes that has to do with what you searched before. So now let's come to look for the anyone that will look to. You know, in graphic design, is a triangle that is used to represent movement or progression. Progress, anything that you know in graphic design is triangle that we use for that. So if you've not learned, then I'll also be dropping the link for my previous lesson where I explained the elements of our graphic design. So I'll pick this one. You can see that it's what facing down, and they've even added the colors, photo colors for me. So what I will do, I don't want it to face that direction. It means that I'm going to rotate it. You see this small icon down there in this shape, just turn it this way and what move it forward. Use this node to scale it up, and what I'll place it just right here. You can see this purple square surrounding this what page. Okay, you can see it. So I don't want anything to get out of that, but your background can get out of it. It's only your text and other most important thing. That is if you are printing them. Okay, but it's good to multiply the. So I have it like this. So let me just move this guy backward a bit. Now you can see it doesn't look so move it down. So now you'll be able to see whether it has what rotated perfectly or not. So now it's okay now. Let me move it back. Now it's okay now. So what should I do next now? Let's say for now, let me bring in my text. I will go to my notepad and copy everything here. So what should I do now? You go to your text, okay? And you click on add a text box. And you add it like this. So I'll just paste what I've copied. So you scale it up. Scale it up using this node. Okay, so now let me bring this one down a bit. I have to distort it and there I have my reasons for doing that. Okay, so this one is okay, just like this. Just observe carefully. Look at the purple line. Once it shows both vertical and horizontal, it means like this at the center of this shape. So go to font and change it to if you can find it, just search for it. I'll change it to bold. That's one. So I will just go to where this format B, where you see B, and I'll press this small letter and capital letter A by this, right? So just tap on it to change it to all caps. So let me just go to my font size. You can actually resize without coming here, but let me just come here. Okay. If I'm okay with this, I'm going to leave it like this. Okay, so now this shape, click on the shape and this plus this thing, you can see the delete and then plus this thing. So click it and it's going to get a copy of this for you. Resize it to make it smaller and place it here, just like this. Then you go to your color and change it. You can see these are photos colors. Okay, I'll be using for now. Let me use this yellow for that, and then this one. That's not the color I'll be using. From our photo, just look at it. I will use the one close to the 32nd to the right most, the one at the right. Just pick it. This is the one that I will be using. Okay, I like the color of my photos. Okay, it's not that I'm getting them from somewhere else. I'm going to get a copy of this text, and then I don't know how to. I'll do the settings later. Okay, but let me just enter it, and I'm going to paste the name of the photo. Should I even see now? Zoom in clearly. Okay, just use your fingers to cut pictures. So let me just. And then let's just zoom out. Okay, use your two fingers to pinch it, and then select that text. If you can't select it, zoom in first like this and go to size and increase it. Okay, like something like this. You add it like this. Okay, then you go to check the font if you selected the one that you wanted, because it's not looking bold. Okay, so now we should add bold, and we have this like this. I want to bring a quote sign there. So what will I do now? I'll go to what, use cancel this, go to what, element, cancel the shape, and what, search elements, and I'll search for what, sign, like this. Okay, quote sign. Then I'll go under graphics. You can see a lot of them, but most of them are what, they are not free. You can see most of them are not free, so you keep scrolling until you get the one you like, which is free. That is just how to use it. That is the advantage of using premium, that is pro account over this free account. But that doesn't mean that you cannot create something beautiful with your normal free account. You just know how to use it. I'm seeing some free these things, but I don't like those ones. Let me just manage this one, this yellow. So just tap on it and you have it like this. So select it and come to flip. You can leave it this way, but I will not be leaving mine. Flip vertical and horizontal. This is how I want to place mine. Let me just carry it down and just cancel this. Select the shape like this. Go to color and this time around I'll give it white and place it right here. Come to this one. It's yellow. Let's turn it up. Move it like this. Alright. So now under elements, switch to line. Okay. From frame line arrow, just look at the top. Switch to line. And let me just pick this first one. Go to what, line style and increase the weight a bit. Then rounded edge point, you check it and be able to curve the edge. So you press back and go to line color and change it to this one. Let me place it somewhere around this place. So what you do now, you scroll to where you see this notch, and then you nudge it, okay, just to the until you see this purple sign, show you that it's at what center. Then you pick this text, you move it like this. So now what do I need to do now? I need to, let's change this code sign. This one is looking ugly. Let's go with this. Then scale it down. Scale it down, then you go to what, flip, just like we did it before. Flip horizontal, flip vertical. I'm going to scale it down. Place it just at the center of this. And once you change the color, change the color to white. And this yellow, change it to something like this. Okay, this is looking better. You can see. So now what I need to do here now, let me just try this thing. So let's notch this one down. This side should go up. Okay, let's increase it. It's at around 51 or 50. Then this line style, we have to increase the weight. And then this text now, place it at the center and make it Good, okay. Increase the size. Increase the size. So around 65. And add it like this. So what we need to do now is that I will be adding my social media handle. So I'm going to get a copy of this, scale it down. Okay, so when you make any mistake like this one now, these two arrows, okay, this, okay, you can see this and this other one. So now that other one now, if you click on it, it's going to undo. You can just do whatever you want to do again. So this is it. Let me zoom in. I'm going to scale it down this way. So now zoom in again so that you'll be able to have this particular center node. Drag it back like this. Then pinch to zoom out. So what I will do now, this one now, I will hold down this arrow key by the side, this node, these 4 arrows. That's what you click if you want to move them. Okay, this one. So you hold it and be moving it. So you can see I don't want it to go outside this purple square. Okay, so I'll place it at the center of. Let it be at the center of the text, just like this one. And what I will do now is that, so this one now, this text, okay, just nudge it up, okay, move it up a bit this way. Then as you are moving it, you will see this smart guide is showing 54, 54. You can see, so it means that the spacing is equal. So now I don't want this person's name to compete with the main code. So let me just bring it down a bit. Okay, so now I will click on it and get a copy of it, and I will place it here like this at the center of this one, and I will edit it and change it to my social media handle. I won't be adding innovate skills here because these are my brand colors. Okay, I don't know if you have idea about branding, but if you check my channel, I believe that this is not the color that you've been seeing. So there is no way I can be using this one now with this different color. So I'll be using my Instagram and my personal one now. So if you want to follow me, you can do that. So now let me come to this format and change it to lowercase like this, and you have your design like this. So if it's not looking good, you can still try 1 or 2 things, but for now I'm okay. So if I want to save this work now, I'll use this. You see this sign, this one. I'm gonna tap on it, okay, and I will go to download. So see what I was doing now, this is what I was saying before. You can't move this to multiply it. It will ask you to subscribe to the premium version, you can see. So you just cancel it. So that's why I've already done it for me. Instead of 1080 by 1080, I multiplied by 2. 2160 by 2160. That is just to get a higher quality. Okay, so that the design will remain sharp even when you start sharing it across social media. So now what I will do now is that this PNG, that is what is suggested for me, so I will leave it. We can change it to JPEG. So you just download it, okay. So it's saved to our gallery. So let's go and check our gallery to see if it has been saved. Let's go to Canva, and we have it like this. This is what we just did now. So you can share this across your social media handle, and if you find this helpful, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And this is just our first lesson. Okay, we're just starting. More videos are coming under the Canva design as well. So like this video, drop your comments, subscribe to my channel, and you can also help me share this to your groups and wherever you belong to. So thank you as you do that, and God bless you. So see you in our next video.